tell it's obvious we're not in Florida anymore. Snow everywhere. I can't keep Lisa out of the wine. Lisa's trying out every wine she can.
What do you like the better? What do you like the better?
Okay, baby, I think you've had a little bit too much. Do I need to drive home?
We are at the Raleigh, North Carolina RV show. This looks much, much bigger than what we've done in Greensboro. Not like Tampa, of course, but much, much bigger. Parking was insanity.
It's a pain.
Yeah. We're walking up to it now. It looks like there's been there are some people boondocking. There is some camping going on the fairgrounds. So this is new for us, but you know we love our RV shows. So we're going in to experience that, and we'll show you around.
Yeah, you can tell it's obvious we're not in Florida anymore. Snow everywhere.
We have a busted eyeball.
You do, you got a busted eyeball.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, look, let me show everybody. Look. She's got a busted eyeball. Turn to look the other way. No, I can't. She's got blood in her eyeball. There's your favorite place.
What?
Up there.
Exterior, total exterior
37. I love it. And I have an L kitchen. Do you? I love it.
This is gorgeous.
This is the still one. We would need a bigger truck. But
I have
That's my story too.
I have an L kitchen and really enjoy it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see why. I mean, gosh.
I mean, not much bigger, but yeah, we need
Lighted
bigger.
under here, that's nice.
Yeah.
Light lighting kind of thing.
And 32, that's not bad.
You took a picture of this?
Oh, I love the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Sideways bed, honey. Oh my word. This is fantastic.
And what?
Washer and dryer probably, I can't see. I'm sure it's available, but I can't tell if it's in here.
If it is, where is it?
This is where you would put it for sure.
Yeah.
But I don't see a hookup.
You don't see the hookup?
Am I missing?
I can't see. It's too dark.
I like this a lot. Very nice. Truck campers are my new thing.
Now that it's just us? No kids.
I'm fascinated by them.
No more kids.
Not so much that, I'm just fascinated by them.
I agree. They're pretty cool. Especially the host campers. I love those.
Let's cut through right here. Look at that.
That's a low rider. Excuse us. I guess we'll wait turns. Yeah. Ladies first.
You have a bloody eye?
Yeah, if you got a bloody eye. Especially if you had a bloody eye.
This is awesome.
Yeah. This is an Arctic fox.
I love this. I mean, it's not the mammoth, but I love it. And this wouldn't scare me.
Well, this is a different one too because it's got the window down here.
Yeah.
I guess that's a chair or a step.
Park your booty. This is pretty cool.
Oh, and let's see. I don't know. Something goes there.
I could handle this.
Nice, big.
Yeah.
What is the model number on? No. I didn't see the model
This
number.
is really nice, and it's wet room,
All in one bathroom?
which is what you're gonna have in here.
Yeah. All in one bathroom.
It's awesome.
It's good.
Have you bought it or can you still look at it?
You can look at it. It's really cool.
Yeah. How many people can you fit in an RV?
Well, 3 are coming out, so sorry.
Are you going in? Yeah, or out?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. My Jesus Lord.
This one's
I like this.
really got a big mid bunk.
I like this very much.
Very much. I like this too. Big mid bunk with a desk. So this is an office.
Wow.
Got the loft bed like the other one.
Sideways bed.
Sideways bed. Washer dryer hookup.
Write the check.
Yeah, we need the truck though.
I like this one.
We had a truck to pull it. Yeah. I love
Very nice. That's all.
the big living space. I love mid bunks.
I want this one. Okay. Oh my goodness.
What? Pantry too?
Oh wow. Open that up. What is that?
It's a pantry.
Holy moly. How much is this thing?
It's
$9 million.
50. It's 54,000.
I love this.
That's one of the best prices I've seen on a mid bunk.
I love this.
Well, baby, you know how to get it.
This is amazing.
Okay, it's got great seating,
It does. I like the bunkers too.
and it's got very nice bathroom. And it's got a closet. There's no washer dryer hookup that I've seen so far, but at the same time, because of the space that they got in there, we could use our little mobile washer dryer.
Nice pantry in here.
This is the part I didn't see. Big pantry, yeah.
And I'll show you something else that I really like.
And a skate patch. No, that's probably to put the bikes and stuff
Bring
in.
your bikes in right here. Yeah.
Bring the bikes in.
Nice. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Kids have their own space. Well, I mean, the thing is, this is big enough for me to set up a table.
Mm-hmm.
I could cut right here.
Where your trash can would go. They're thinking about that now.
About where the trash can would go.
I like that.
She's got a look. Camper purse.
I want it.
But
I want it.
for a hat.
I love it.
But she would love it. It would look good on her.
Well, you can decide that. I want the little purse though.
Huh?
I want the little purse though.
Yeah.
You can veto the hat, but I want the purse. Can I, Dad? With my red eye.
so it is not juice.
Is it good? You want me to try it? Okay.
No, that is good. Man, I could really taste the muscadine in there.
Yep, that's that
We
one.
usually buy chokers.
Yeah.
That's usually what we buy.
You gonna try the triple spring? This is triple springs. So this one's similar, but it's the white one, so it has a little bit more of a muscadine taste. Tastes like you just pluck the muscadine right off the vine.
I like that even better.
Yep, good.
You want to get a bottle of Moscato?
Yes, but not yet because I don't want to have to carry it around.
Okay, we'll be back.
I can't keep Lisa out of the wine. Lisa's trying out every wine she can. What, you want to trade?
You guys want to try us out? We're about an hour and a half away from here. Oh, that's
Okay, you take that one and I take this
There's a
one.
little bit more information about the campground and about White Lake itself.
The peach is really good. What do you like the better? What do you like the better?
Okay, baby, I think you've had a little bit too much. Do I need to drive home? Try and get.
Is it messing up on you?
Yeah.
I like the way this is done.
Oh, where you can shut off the toilet and shower, but you still got access to the sink. So it's not really a walk-through.
Exactly, which I like. I like this. I don't know that it's $300,000 like, but I like it.
Yeah, it's got the sideways bed that you like. Well, that's the whole reason right there, because of that engine. You're paying for that engine.
These are really nice to travel in because they're so comfortable, and everything is right here.
And I would feel so much at home in up here.
I bet you would.
Let me feel it. Let me feel how this is. Yeah. Being a truck driver, this would feel like I was on the job, even when I wasn't. This would feel like I was working while I was.
This is really nice, though.
Yeah. So you want to sell the house now and this? You want to live in this now? All of this right here is exactly like a semi-truck. Exactly like a semi-truck. And I'm literally meaning that literally, because I drive a semi. And the Volvo trucks that I drove for one company is set up exactly like this, right down to the cup holders.
You're kidding. Awful. There was a lady, I think, that spun it like 6 times earlier. We were finally like, okay, here's all 4. There you go.
All 4 prizes. Yay.
So we've got the magnetic boot clips, pin, then we have, do you want the blue or the blue? Okay, blue, and then we've got bottle opener, koozie.
I'll take the bottle opener.
All right. There you go. 4.
Also,
We added a couple of prizes since I wrote those.
you guys spend?
All Thousand Trails members get a 20% discount at all of our properties, but then we have the Thousand Trails signature properties that are included as part of the Thousand Trails package. Then that membership's $4.99 a year, so if you stay a week somewhere, you pay for your membership, and then anywhere else you go, you get 20% off.
Yeah.
Awesome.
This is the flyer for the annual camping pass. Okay, and it tells you, there's 23 parks in the southeast, and you can add additional zones for $59. You can camp 14 days at a time, and then you have to be out 7. You can do that over and over and over again. You got a 60-day reservation window, unlimited day use. There's your map of your parks in the southeast.
Awesome.
300 VHS, Coachman Apex.
I'm gonna let it clear a little.
Yeah. Oh, I don't really like these double sliding doors. I don't like them, but I do like the window back here.
Yeah.
It's got the front window.
So like this one's 8,000 more than that other one.
This one's got the opposing.
No, it's not an opposing slot.
No, I'm saying where the dinettes opposed from the, like ours is,
Yeah.
but more space.
We'll be back later for you.
It's got plenty of counter space, but it does have a. Look at the counter space. There's enough room for a Keurig here.
Yep.
Here's the fridge. As big as ours. But this is what is cool.
Bathroom's about like ours. Yeah, nice bunk room.
But it's got the big bunk room. See, that's what's the whole difference about this.
Trying to make a break for it? Come on.
Taking a wee little bit of rest.
God. That's what the whole difference is. This right here. But this thing's only 6,200 pounds. All I know is that the Navigator could pull this. We wouldn't have to get a new tow vehicle for this one.
We are just now leaving the RV show in Raleigh. It was great. Definitely bigger than the one in Greensboro that we usually go to, or even the one in Charlotte that we've gone to before.
Yeah, it's pretty big. They had a flea market going on today as well, so the parking was crazy.
Yeah, it was a bit of a madhouse around here today, and because this is local to us, you'll see we brought our fuel-efficient vehicle today. We didn't drive the Navigator today.
Right.
But I think we gained some insights. You know, I think the more we look, the more we discover we love our camper.
I mean, we can dream. I mean, there's some campers I would dream to have, but you know, usually that comes with a major price tag. And I will say this though, these prices here at this RV show
Were the best.
Were the best I've ever seen as far as prices go at an RV show. I mean, major discounts.
We had a good time. It was huge. And there were a lot of old trinkets and things you typically see, but we had a blast going through it all.
Yeah, it was really, really, really cool.
So we're looking forward to sharing all of that with you guys. But thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, happy camping.